For this problem, we consider the function f of x equals x squared plus 8x plus 21 if x is strictly less than -4, or f of x is 3x plus 17 if x is greater than or equal to -4. We're going to find the limit of the function f of x as x approaches -4 from the left. Find the limit of the function f of x as x approaches -4 from the right in part B, and in part C we find the two-sided limit of the f of x as x approaches -4. So in part A, since x is coming from the left toward to -4, so that means your x gonna be less than -4. Therefore, the function we're gonna use to find the limit is the one that's defined first as x is strictly less than -4. So we write the limit of the function, which is the function x squared plus 8x plus 21 as x approaches -4 from the left. We call the limit of the polynomial, this is a polynomial function, is the same as the function value. The value is -4, a is -4, so therefore the limit of x squared plus 8x plus 21 as x approaches -4 is the same as -4 quantity square plus 8 times -4 plus 21, and the result is 5 as the left-sided limit of this function. Move on to part B. For the function f of x as x approaches -4 from the right, that means coming toward this way, or we can say that x is greater than -4 but very close to -4. If we look at the value of the x that is greater than -4, the function will be defined as 3x plus 17. So we can find the limit of the function 3x plus 17 as x approaches -4 from the right. Same thing, if the function is polynomial, the limit is the same as the function value, where a is -4. So we can calculate 3 times -4 plus 17, and turns out to be 5. Move on to part C, limit of the f of x as x approaches -4. If you don't see superscript plus sign or minus sign, that means this one is the two-sided limit. For the two-sided limit to be exist, so that means the left-sided limit of the function is the same as the right-sided limit of the function. From part A and part B, we found those two numbers are the same. Therefore, the two-sided limit does exist to be the value 5.